Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's new arrivals, we are going to see gems of silk cotton saris, very traditionally woven saris in beautiful color combinations. For people who are new to silk cottons, these saris are a blend of pure silk by cotton. All the silk cottons carry 60% pure silk and 40% cotton, gives you the richness of silk and the comfort of cotton when you drape these saris. Slightly transparent, but when you pleat it up, it will look just like the one that I'm wearing today. I have 10 different designs to showcase in today's video. We have Vairavusis, buttas, retapet borders, zari checks, palum parvam checks, thread woven patterns, patlis and much more. Let's get started. All these saris are as good as silk saris and have to be always dry cleaned for a longer life. I'm going to randomly pick and show you 2 to 3 different saris in each of the designs, but we have much more unique designs and colors that have been uploaded. To buy these saris, you have to log on to www.prashantisaris.in. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. Design number 1, Vairavusi in silk cottons. This one is a very pretty color combination of peacock blue with pink, rich zari woven borders on either sides, with the body having closely knit lines of zari running horizontally throughout the sari called the Vairavusi pattern, small zari woven buttas running throughout the body, a rich contrast pallu in pink, that's the pallu, a Vairavusi blouse in pink, priced at 4,270. One more color, same design, orange with teal green, a very pretty color combination with rich zari woven borders, beautiful temples, peacocks and rudrakshams woven on either sides, with the body having Vairavusi pattern along with small zari buttas in the body. That's the pallu in teal green, a matching Vairavusi blouse in teal green, priced at 4,270. One more color in the same design, it's maroon with green, traditional color combination with rich zari woven borders, Vairavusi in the body along with zari buttas running throughout the sari, a contrast rich pallu in green, that's the pallu, and a plain green blouse, priced at 4,270. Design number 2, zari checks in silk cottons. This one is a very pretty color combination of honey with black, contrast bawanji borders on either sides with small zari checks running along the body, thread woven buttas in between the checks, a contrast rich zari woven pallu in black, that's the pallu, a contrast plain black blouse, priced at 3,850. One more variant in the same design, it's green with royal blue, retapet borders on either sides with zari checks running all over the body, a contrast rich pallu in royal blue, that's the pallu, a zari checked blouse in blue, priced at 4,190. Navy blue with pink, traditional color combination with retapet borders, zari checked body, a contrast rich pallu in pink, that's the pallu, zari checked blouse in pink, priced at 4,190. Design number 3, borderless buttas in silk cottons. This one is a very pretty green with contrast selvage and red on either sides, beautiful and intricately woven buttas in golden zari along with a touch of contrast color thread running throughout the sari, a rich self pallu, very classy, beautiful butta woven blouse in green, priced at 5,150. Grey and red, one more in borderless style, contrast selvage and red on either sides with the body having paisley zari woven buttas in gold and silver alternating throughout the body, contrast rich zari woven pallu in red, that's the pallu, a plain blouse in red, priced at 4,120. Design number 4, buttas with rich zari borders. This one is a very unique and beautiful color combination of pastel green with coffee brown, contrast kadi zari borders along with selvage in brown on either sides. The body has got beautiful silver and golden zari buttas alternating throughout the body, a rich contrast pallu in coffee brown, that's the pallu, a plain blouse in coffee brown, priced at 4,190. lotus pink with grey, one more pretty color, contrast Kadi zari borders on either sides with beautiful peacock motifs in gold and silver alternating throughout the body. A rich contrast pallu in grey, that's the pallu. Plain blouse in grey, priced at 4,490. Design number 5, silk cottons with rich borders and small zari buttas. This one is beige with pink, a classic color combination with rich zari woven borders on either sides, small zari buttas running throughout the sari, a contrast pallu in pink, that's the pallu, a plain pink blouse, priced at 3,590. Coffee brown with copper sulphate blue, a very pretty sari with paisleys and floral pattern woven on both sides of the borders. The body has got small mango zari butta running all over the sari, a contrast rich pallu in blue, that's the pallu, a plain blue blouse, priced at 3,590. Design number 6, silk cottons with coin buttas. This one is grey with green combination, rich zari woven borders along with thread and zari woven coin buttas alternating throughout the body. A contrast rich pallu in green, that's the pallu. A contrast blouse in green, priced at 4,390. One more in coin buttas, a stunning color combination of black with magenta, contrast zari woven borders on either sides with small coin buttas woven in golden zari running throughout the body. Rich contrast pallu in magenta, that's the pallu. A plain magenta blouse, priced at 4,390. Design number 7, Palum Paramam checks in silk cottons. This one is a traditional 3-color Palum Paramam checks with Bavanji borders on either sides, small temple zari buttas alternating in between the checks. A contrast rich pallu in mango yellow, that's the pallu. A plain blouse in mango yellow, priced at 3,675. Another variant in the same design, it's navy blue with copper sulphate blue, 2-color small checked pattern running throughout the body with Bavanji borders on either sides. A rich pallu in navy blue, that's the pallu. A plain navy blue blouse, priced at 3,690. One more variant in the same design, off-white with peachish pink, meenakari zari woven borders with temples and paisleys on either sides. Very pretty multicolored checked pattern running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu with a touch of thread work and a contrast plain blouse, priced at 3,990. Design number 8, Patli style in silk cottons. Grey with black, another pretty color combination with Kadi zari borders and thread woven floral buttas along the top portion of the sari. Along the middle part, that is the pleated portion, this has got a very pretty jacquard weaving running all over the pleated portion. A contrast rich pallu in black, that's the pallu, and a plain black blouse, priced at 4,390. One more in Patli, green with purple, a very pretty color, Kadi zari borders, thread woven floral buttas in the body. Along the pleated portion, this has got a very pretty jacquard weaving in purple and green, a contrast rich zari woven pallu in purple, that's the pallu, and a plain purple blouse, priced at 4,390. Design number 9, jacquards in silk cottons. This one is pastel pink with mustard combination, rich zari woven border along with geometric circle jacquard weaving running all over the sari. Contrast rich pallu in mustard, that's the pallu. A jacquard blouse in mustard, priced at 3,990. One more color in jacquard, mandulir green with mustard combination, contrast rich zari woven border along with self-embossed jacquard weaving running all over the sari. A rich zari woven pallu in mustard, that's the pallu. A jacquard blouse in mustard, priced at 3,990. Design number 10, plain body with jacquard blouse concept. This one is off-white with pink, a very classic color combination with contrast borders, a thin strip of zari running along both sides of the borders with the body going plain in off-white. That's the pallu, thread woven pallu in contrast to the body color in pink. And this has got a thread woven brocade blouse in pink, priced at 3,690. Lavender and black, a very pretty color combination with contrast borders and simple zari woven pattern on either sides. The body goes plain in lavender, a contrast thread woven pallu in black, that's the pallu, a jacquard blouse in black, priced at 3,690. One more color, same design, the last one for today. Peach pink with black, a very unique color with contrast borders and simple zari woven pattern on either sides. The body goes plain, a contrast rich thread woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a jacquard blouse priced at 3,690. All these sarees are available in our website. We have much more unique designs and colors that have been uploaded. To buy these sarees, you can log on to www.prashantisarees.in, or you can also click on the link that is given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.